Welcome to MSP TV. Today, we are tackling a topic that could save your business from costly downtime, the most common UPS mistakes and how to avoid them. Your UPS system is your last line of defense during a power outage, but even the best systems can fail if mismanaged. Your UPS system is your last line of defense during a power outage, but even the best system. Let's look at the top UPS mistakes and how to prevent them. Mistake 1. Skipping regular maintenance. Think of your UPS like a car, it needs routine checks. Ignoring battery health, filters, or firmware updates can lead to unexpected failures. Mistake 2. Overloading the UPS. Plugging in more equipment than your UPS is rated for? That's a recipe for disaster. Always size your UPS based on load requirements with some buffer. Mistake 3. Poor battery management. Batteries degrade over time. Failing to test or replace aging batteries on schedule is one of the most common causes of UPS failure. Mistake 4. Ignoring environmental conditions. UPS systems hate extreme heat or dust. Keep them in cool, clean, and well-ventilated environments. Mistake 5. Lack of training. Operators should know what to do in case of an alarm or failure. A little training goes a long way in preventing panic during power events. At MSPL Group, we help businesses avoid these pitfalls with expert guidance, preventive maintenance, and tailor-made power solutions. Let MSPL Group guide you. Call us at +919 696086 62. Visit www.msplgroup.com. You found this video helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on power solutions. You found this